this video, I will show you how to create a running stitch. I will be using an embroidery needle and 100% cotton stranded embroidery thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. Start by pulling your needle and thread up through the fabric. Next, push the needle back down the fabric a small distance away. Again, a small distance away, bring the needle and thread back up through the fabric. And repeat until you reach your desired length. This is your completed running stitch.